Alright, what's going on YouTube? Alright, focus. So finally, something good I want to show you guys. Something I've been working on for the last couple days. First, let me just gather my stuff. Yo, this GoPro, it like disappeared and I finally found it. It was like over here, like behind this wall. I also got a couple more packages. So we got this one, we got this one, and we got this one. Oh, that's also another thing I got. I don't know, that's a little while ago, but I'll still show you guys. Let me brush my teeth real quick. This has been actually sitting in my closet and it took me a while to find it. I wanted a tripod I wanted something that I could just throw inside and it fits. Actually, we could use it right now. Alright, is that good? Yeah, you guys can see me, right? Damn, let me fix my hair. Ninja style. Now, before I bring you guys outside and show you what I got, let's open these up. Ordered a couple things that we needed. Right here, we got these like, because I'm gonna be running heat again, but these are just end caps for the hose. It's basically like a little dress-up kit, so it just goes on the end of the hose, then you tighten it. Little something from K-Tune. They're probably one of the only makers of something like this. Let me give you the part number. This is for the AC EP3 pulley kit, K20 and K24, no belt included. So since we're putting the AC back on, we need the EP3 belt, and then we need this pulley right here. The bolts that K-Tune includes are always nice. They're always nice. Nice bolts they include. Most of their stuff is billet, which is really good. Doesn't rust. It's just really good pieces, so. Yeah, their stuff it's always good, man. I'm not gonna say all their stuff is like completely good because their thermostats are sometimes weird. The throttle body, you guys see me on the channel with that. That thing is just all over the place. Anyways, enough of me complaining. That's what we got right there. Oh, it's the belt. I didn't even know this was in there. So a Gates, it's a replacement for EP3. So basically that's what you need. I don't really know. It's a freaking belt. See how that goes. I don't see it being a problem. We're not freaking NASCAR drivers. Once I got the other valve cover and I freaking loved it, I love the color, I went ahead and got another one. Hopefully you guys like it, because I like it. On camera it looks darker, but it's really lighter, but it's like a grain or whatever. It's really nice. The guy who did it for me, he does an excellent job. Cleans the whole inside. Really nice job. Not one flaw on this thing. It's just flawless. And I inspected this thing to make sure it was like good. This thing is good. There's not like one problem on it. And he actually welded these on for me. The bongs on there. He even shaved the Honda emblem for me. Let me gather my stuff. Like I said, this fits in my backpack now. We got the GoPro. Guys, this is my computer setup. This is pretty much where I do everything. I got my Vegas Pro down there if you guys wonder what program I use. Lightroom for the photos, and Photoshop just for like editing. That's my old PC down there. I've shown this a bunch of times, but yeah, dual monitor. I built this PC myself. Pretty much just order the parts, put it together. Let me clean all this up because I have a mess in here. So give me a second and then we'll head out. So some of you guys might have already guessed it. Here it is, guys. The car is back on the road. We're gonna be driving it for the next couple days before we start doing the whole, you know, AC thing that we're gonna be doing, putting heat back in the car so we could drive it a little bit longer, and like November, maybe even into December. So it'd be nice to get that back in the car. I missed this thing, let me tell you guys. So since I got this thing, I'm gonna throw it on my head, do like a first person view of me driving the car, which I pretty much never do. So it'd be good for you guys to see me actually drive the car instead of just having it in the garage 24/7. So I like this spot. This is usually where I come to, like, I don't know, just take footage or just record of my car. I think a lot of people do it. They come to a mall and stuff. It's just really quiet. That looks like a really good spot right there. Take some photos. Here's the car, guys. We still have a mess from everything we did. So I don't know, floor's dirty. I still had to put the rugs in. I don't know why I haven't done that. I kind of use that so it doesn't mess up the floor, whatever, my foot, like the heel of my foot. I got a mess of stuff right there. My backpack, and then the back just whatever, it's gutted. I guess now that I have a lot more subscribers, I think we're like at 4,050. So now would be a good time to show you guys my car again. 2006 Acura Rsx. I guess I'll do another quick walk around on my car. RPF ones. I guess I'll answer all the like questions people be asking me. So tire size 215 45 17. Really cheap ones. I think these are Nexen. Yeah, they are Nexens. RPF ones, 17x9 35 offset, which I think is like the best offset. You know, you're always gonna have like good fitment with that. Paint isn't perfect. I was working on the car, so like my front fenders are kind of like scratched up now, scuffed. I gotta buff the car. So the rear is A-spec, the side is A-spec. That's how it comes factory. The front is Mugen. Backstory about the front lip, the A-spec one, my girl crashed it, and I didn't want to like overpay for another A-spec, so if I come across another one, I might buy it. Aftermarket headlights, I sold the other ones. I think I sold them for like 120. And there's the engine bay. You guys that have been following me, my pride and joy, pretty much what I've been working on for months and something I've been wanting for years. Ever since, like, I've had the car since 2011. So ever since like 2012, 13, when I saw like, you know, other people's engine bays and stuff, I've been wanting to do that. So ever since then, I've just been working on it slowly, and here we are now. So still a couple of things left to do, but we're gonna get there. Like I told you guys, AC is gonna go back in, heat's gonna go back in, but we're gonna tuck it nice, and I'll show you guys how to do that. The EP3 rack, I've been talking about that for months, and we're finally gonna be doing it now that I got the wiring and stuff out the way. Pretty much once I do everything I want to this car and I get bored of it, I think the only thing left to do that I would want to do in the future would probably go boost, and that'd probably be like the last thing I do to this car. And so painting the car might be the last thing after I'm done doing, like, you know, everything, all the maintenance stuff that I've been doing in this car, because really, like, taking the front bumper off, the side fenders, and doing all that, I just scuffed them all up. And if I paint the car now, I'm really just gonna mess it up. It'd be good just to wait. But yeah, this is a nice quiet spot, guys. Like, I love malls and the garages, so if you guys are ever looking for like a quiet spot to just record and maybe even take pictures, a garage is really a good spot. I'll back up a little so you guys can see it a little better. Actually, you can't even see it. Yeah, there it is. I do want to get the Type R tails. I don't know, it's just one of those things that I haven't gotten yet, but eventually I will. And I eventually want to get seats for the inside. That's another thing I'm gonna be doing. So now that I'm here, I'm just gonna take a couple photos. It's really nice out. I just want to show you guys that I actually do drive this car. So I'm gonna put this GoPro back on. Yo, it's funny when I put this on. Where is it? So usually I put this thing on, and with my hair, that's pretty much what I look like. And I kind of aim it down like that. So that's kind of what I look like if you guys are staring at me on the highway. Good. Yeah, that shit's mad bright right there. Yeah, I came out like at an angle.
Oh, you did like sideways like this, right?
Yeah, I came sideways. Every Puerto Rican comes in every driveway sideways. What up? You got the Orin? You didn't win the freaking Orin. What are you using to dry your car? What is that? Oh, okay. They're using a napkin. Might be able to blend in. It's nice though.
Yeah. You about to wash yours now?
Nah, I'm good. My shit's going back to the garage. It's gonna get dirty again anyways.
When, today?
Tomorrow I'll probably bring it back. I just wanted to drive and make sure it's good, you know?
Well, I needed a break from work.
Damn, this thing, my thing is filthy. What happened?
I needed a break.
Yo, I gotta clean this car. This thing is filthy. The wheels. Look at all those marks on there. All those fingerprints. Damn, this shit is so dry. I think the sun hit it for a couple days. It's like super dry. Let me check this side. This one's pretty dry too. Damn, I gotta repaint these. I actually painted these myself. Came out pretty good. The fans, 2 fans.
Oh, cooling the engine, dude.
Yeah, but they're stronger fans. It's a stronger like spin. So, and they're the same size. I think they're 10.
They turn on at the same time.
Yeah. All we're missing is a big ass turbo right here.
That shit's holding up.
I know it is. I should from now on, since I have these already, I'm just gonna start having them weld these shut. Like don't even have this because I already have these here. It's already breathing here.
All right.
So why need a third one, you know? So what's your opinion on the engine bay? Just clean.
It is.
Take some pictures.
Like this, open.
Alright, so I'm about to take Martin on a spin. Picking him up right now. He's leaving his car at the Hall of Fame or whatever. I kinda got a mess right there, bro.
Huh?
I said I kinda got a mess right there.
It's fine. This is about to be a long ass clip.
Just put that fucking camera down for that thing we're recording now.
That's good right there. I zoomed in into the cop thing. Maybe you could like take that part out, you know what I mean, and like add it to a clip, police or something. Alright, what is going on?
What the hell? They're beating this guy's ass.
Oh my god, he's knocked out.
Oh my god.
You saw that cop hiding over there? What the fuck he hiding over there for? He should come over here. Yo, what the f? I thought we were trying to kidnap someone.
I don't know what the f they're doing.
You caught that?
Yeah.
Let me see. You said they're beating this, but did you catch him knocking him? They basically.
Alright, so the night
out.
gets a lot more interesting. That guy's got knocked out and his underwears fell off. I gotta end this vlog, man.
Oh,
we gotta end
for the day, the vlog of the day.
The vlog of the day. We gotta end it. I just flipped my back. I just flipped my
back.
But yeah, we about to head to GameStop, try and see if we can get Call of Duty. I guess it's coming out at 9 o'clock for sure. Damn, look at all these cars. Oh my god. Oh. Success. Alright, so we got the game. Martin had to wait in line for like, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes to get his. And then he couldn't decide on a freaking mic. He ended up getting the Astros 810s. So yeah, I'm gonna close this one out, guys. I'll keep I'll keep updating you guys on the car, and hopefully tomorrow me and Martin can pull the engine. I think we're gonna have to do it at night because my dad's still working during the day, and just there isn't enough room in there to do that. So we'll see how tomorrow goes. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.